A world of possibilities. I have been thinking about what I'd like to be when I grow up. There are so many choices. I could be a principal like my father, or a teacher who helps children learn new things. I like animals. Maybe I should be a veterinarian and help them when they are sick. I could be a farmer and grow delicious vegetables for everyone to eat. Maybe I could be a doctor and help people feel better. I could be a famous sports person, a singer on a big stage, or an actor in the movies. Maybe I would like to be a police officer or a firefighter and rescue people. I can play the piano. Maybe I should be a musician and create beautiful music. I could be a carpenter and build things with wood, or an airline pilot and fly high in the sky. The world is full of jobs. I can be whatever I want to be.